In this video, we'll demonstrate the fast and effective sealing of a leaking pipe using Resimac's water-activated emergency live leak system. Repairing pipes within 5 minutes. 103 metal repair stick and 110 rubber tourniquet are a rapid solution for small diameter pipe leaks. Combined with Resimac's 108 pipe repair tape, this trio can be a long-term solution for hard-to-access pipes without the need for mains cut-off and a full replacement. For best results, mechanically abrading the surface will enhance the overall performance. However, due to the product's surface tolerance, minimal preparation can be completed for hard-to-access areas. Either use a wire brush or abrasive sandpaper to scour the surrounding area. Begin with wrapping the reusable 110 rubber tourniquet tape next to the leak, ready for the application of 103 metal repair stick. Taking the required amount, combine the two-part putty together within gloved hands. Mix until the putty is a consistent, streak-free dark grey colour. Place the putty just above the live leak. Take your 110 tourniquet tape and force the putty into the leak. Wrapping as tightly as possible. Using the velcroed ends to attach the tourniquet. Leaving to cure for 5 minutes, this duo can be left until a planned replacement is scheduled, with no concern of a rupture. For a long-term repair, you can remove the reusable rubber tape, thoroughly abrade and clean the surrounding surface and putty. Place the 108 pipe repair tape into clean, room temperature water to saturate the roll. Tightly wrap over the cured putty, making sure to extend either side with the tape to fully encapsulate. Resimac's pipe repair products are suitable for a wide range of applications: metal, GRP and plastic surfaces. Durable formulations for offline, low-concentration chemicals, diesel, seawater and steam pipework. Resimac's emergency live leak system is an essential asset for any emergency repair kit. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.